how to install the doorknob. I begin by disassembling the original knob. To install the new doorknob, just simply install the latch mechanism, install the supplied screws that come with the then install the mechanism that turns the knob by sliding it in, and simply put the opposing end, lining up the holes with the screws, catch by hand, and simply tighten down the screws. You can use either a screw gun or a regular handheld screwdriver. You just want these snug. Take your hand screwdriver and then tighten down by hand. Careful not to over tighten. That's it.